Okay, everybody, welcome to science class. Today, your class, grade 4. We still continue for the energy chain and then renewable energy and then also the climate change. So let me remind you for the 29th September last week. If you already done, then watching the video, you can write down and then send in the submit in my school. The first video is the fun science about the energy chain, how the energy chain from the mechanic and also goes to the electricity, something like that. And number 2 video is the climate change, how does the pollution that's come from fuel. Fuel itu apa ya? Miss Debbie ngomong fuel itu tahu nggak? Fuel. Do you know?
I know what's fuel.
Ya, apa artinya dalam bahasa Indonesia? Bensin, gasolin gitu ya, bahan bakar ya. And number 2 itu talking about the how does the fuel that's come from the pollution changing the climate ya. And then number 3 is the renewable energy that replace itu apa artinya? Place itu tempat. Jetro nih mesti tahu ini. Respon ya. Replace the fuel. Ini talking about the renewable energy atau dalam bahasa Indonesia itu sumber daya yang dapat Halo?
Perbaharui.
Sumber daya yang dapat diperbaharui. Okay, good. Now today in the Maya School, if you already seen the video, it's talking about the geothermal. This is also one of the renewable energy. And this is the link for you, National Geographic. This is interesting ya. Ada bacaan-bacaan, ada video-video juga, and it's free. National Geographic.
I ever watch it.
Oh ya.
And I like it.
Bagus kok ya. Nanti kalau
I like it very much.
Nanti kalau sempat kita setel ya. Kemudian nanti after you will write something talking about the fossil and renewable energy. You will submit here. You will submit here pengajuan dokumennya di sini nanti ya. And this book Science 4 ini, this is only for you ya. Boleh di-download, boleh di-print terserah, tapi yang ini tidak ada tugas yang buku ini. Ya, hanya ini saja nanti tulisanmu. Klik di sini mind map ya. Mind map tidak sama dengan buku ini kan. Okay, now please prepare for your book and your pencil. We are going to draw a mind map.
Pakai pulpen boleh nggak, Mi?
Boleh, tapi nanti kalau salah ya coret. Oke, judulnya. Bukan judulnya ya, langsung di tengah aja. Fuel. Fossil fuel. Kenapa bahan bakar yang kamu bilang bensin tadi disebut fosil? Have you ever read? Atau pernah dengar kenapa disebut itu namanya bahan bakar dari fosil? Kenapa? Tahu nggak?
Itu dari binatang.
It is come from the plant and also the animal that's very 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 small, very small. And it's come from the million years ago. Siapa pernah baca bahwa bahan bakar yang sekarang ini, minyak bumi, itu berasal dari tanaman atau tumbuh atau binatang yang sudah mati jutaan tahun yang lalu. Pernah baca nggak? Pernah tahu?
Like dinosaurs?
Yes, dinosaur. Dinosaur kan big animal. Ini small. That what we call plankton. Yang kita bilang plankton, plankton dan
From
juga
SpongeBob?
something like that. That deep in the ocean. Betul, memang di dalam di
But it has to be like
di dasar
small.
laut, memang betul di dasar laut. Itu yang bahan bakar minyak bumi yang kamu bilang bensin tadi, ya. Itu yang adanya di lautan sana. But there is another from plant. Ada satu lagi yang dari tanaman. Itu namanya coal. Kalian pernah barbecue nggak?
I know. I have
Nah,
barbecue. I never know that. I
yang
never know
disebut
that.
coal batu bara. Pernah barbecue pakai batu
I
bara?
have coal in my garden.
I
I
ever try?
My dad usually put that. Yeah, I ever.
Ya,
My
yang
dad
tahu.
usually put that for plants.
Itu di Jalan Kaliurang ada kok tulisannya briket batu bara gitu di Jalan
I,
Kaliurang.
Miss Debbie, my dad kinda puts coal in like a tanaman.
Ya. It is true come from the small, very small plant. Itu dari tanaman yang sangat kecil, mikroskopik ya namanya. Nggak bisa kamu lihat. Nggak bisa kamu lihat pakai kaca pembesar, nggak bisa, ya.
So not interested.
Jadi the fossil fuel itu comes from animal and plant, gitu ya. Ya, oke. Now, what do you think? Just share your ideas. What are you thinking about the fossil fuel? Apa yang kamu ingin katakan tentang fossil fuel ini?
Fossil, I still remember it's like a dinosaur bone.
No, bukan, bukan dinosaur ya. It's a small plankton namanya, and phytoplankton. Oke. Siapa yang mau bilang sesuatu tentang fossil fuel atau bahan bakar ini? Bahan bakar ini namanya. Yuk, silakan Miss Debbie akan tulis, kamu yang bicara.
Miss, bahan bakarnya itu cuma bisa dibikin bensin.
Okay. So let's say is oil production, oil. Itu namanya crude oil ya. Crude oil. Ini namanya hasilnya satu jadi crude oil. Dua, yang kita bicarakan tadi, coal. Nah, ini produknya, crude oil dan coal. Bensin tadi ada di mana? Nomor 1 apa nomor 2?
Pardon, what's crude oil?
Crude oil itu minyak bumi.
Oh.
Bahasa Indonesia minyak bumi. Inilah yang jadi bensin. Ya, Nicholas.
I want to talk about something. So my Zoom glitched out, and I don't know what to do with it because I did not change it.
You don't know what to do? You just write this, copy mine.
Oh,
Ikutin
okay.
aja yang sekarang ini. Miss Debbie tulis, kalian tulis ya. Tulis ya.
Do I write the crude oil and the coal?
Cool. Yes, sure.
Okay.
Ulangi ya, yang tadi kalian bilang bensin itu nomor 1. Crude oil itu namanya minyak bumi. Minyak is a oil ya, minyak.
I already write it down.
Okay, good.
Like cooking oil.
Cooking
Or
oil.
olive
Nah,
oil.
cooking oil itu come from it can come from plants ya. Come from plants. Itu bisa disebut bahan bakar. It's additional. No, it's not. The stove, kompornya.
Miss,
The stove need the fuel. Nah, itu dari mana?
but our butters are like oil.
Oil also, ya. Oil also
Dude.
jadi gas actually gas. But the gas come from the crude oil. Jadi gasnya di rumah kalian itu, ya, itu juga berasalnya dari minyak bumi, ya. Bukan dari gas dalam bumi, bukan. Bukan dari gas yang dalam bumi dibor itu, bukan. It's come from the crude oil. Jadi kalau kalian bilang the energy for the stove ya, untuk kompormu di rumah itu, ya it's come from the crude oil. Namanya LPG kan? Siapa yang tahu namanya LPG? Liquid petroleum. LPG itu singkatannya L, liquid, P, petroleum, G itu gas. Jadi gas yang berasal dari minyak bumi gitu, petrol.
You're
Petrol
right
kan
to like.
air.
How about like olive oil? Is it from a plant or
Olive oil.
what?
Olive oil is come from plants.
Yeah, cause
Olive.
Olive.
Nah, yang Miss Debbie bicarakan bukan untuk cookingnya, ya, bukan untuk oil cookingnya, tapi yang Miss
Debbie,
Debbie
can
bicarakan.
you like the LPG?
Yes. How can you turn on your stove at home? Bagaimana kamu nyalain kompornya itu?
There's like a click, like click, click, click. Flick.
Oke, ya. What else? Apalagi
Sometimes
yang kamu
my mom
pikirkan?
scared when
Ya,
she do
oke,
that.
yuk, lanjut apa lagi? What else that you think about the fuel? Apalagi
Miss-
yang kamu pikirkan tentang
Miss, can you do the meaning of the LPG?
liquid petroleum gas.
Yes.
Liquid petroleum gas.
Also write petroleum and wait.
Petrol. Petroleum.
Petrol.
Ya, petrol. It's oil, ya. It's oil.
Petrol.
Liquid petroleum gas. Okay, what else that you want to share ideas about the fuel? Apalagi selain yang produksinya ini, apalagi yang kamu pikirkan tentang bahan bakar with the term of fuel?
I know it's not edible.
It's not edible. It's not edible. It's not for. It is not for eating. Ini kan nggak bicarakan tentang makanan. It is said energy, ya, to run something. Ini kan bicara tentang energi, ya, bukan bicara tentang makanan. So it's not. Jadi jangan ditulis edible-nya. Nah. Bagaimana kalau production-nya? To produce, untuk menghasilkan apa ini? To produce. Halo, everybody. To produce.
Yes.
Jadi dari bahan bakar coal sama minyak bumi ini menghasilkan apa? Nah, ini ditulis dulu ya. Miss Debbie mau stop share screen. Miss Debbie will show you something.
Wait.
Cepetan ditulis.
Are you gonna teach us science?
I am teaching now.
Excuse me.
Sudah ya? Belum. To produce. Apa yang dihasilkan nanti? Let's see. Stop share.
To produce. Never mind.
Nah, what produce?
I'm gonna pin you.
What produced by the fuel?
Oh, yeah, I remember that. He made it again. That like a sound. Maybe some energy. Heat.
Energy.
Heat sound. Heat. Wait. I'm right here. What is it? Oh, electrical light. Chemical. It's light. Light. I thought that is the sound. Light and
Heat. Light and
Do you
heat.
think if I turn on,
Hey,
I
it's
turn
light and
on
heat.
all the time along the day, what will happen to the light? What will happen to the bulb? Terus apa yang akan terjadi dengan bola lampunya itu? If I turn on all the time along the day,
it will empty.
what empty? Yang kosong apa? Yang habis apa?
The battery.
The battery. The battery will run out. Finish. Ulangi, yang habis apanya?
I cannot hear you clearly, Miss Debbie.
It is light and dark.
Clearly now?
Yeah.
The things there.
Pardon? Can you hear
Right.
my voice clearly now?
Yes.
Okay. Yang habis apanya?
The battery.
The battery.
Battery.
When does the battery come on? Baterainya itu disebut apa?
Energy.
Energy.
Baterai
Acid.
Chemical.
is a chemical. Where does the chemical
Oh,
come from?
chemical.
Where does the chemical come from?
Chemical. From fossil.
Nah, itu dari yang namanya karbon. Itu juga fosil. Itu juga fosil. So, baterai is a fuel. Do you agree with me? Hello? Baterai is a fuel. Do you agree with me?
Yeah. Wait, but batteries filled with rather kimia.
Yes, it's chemical. Yeah, it's chemical.
The little thing. Who made that? Yeah, who made like a battery?
Factory.
No, who made the little thing?
The real thing, ya factory, pabrik.
No. The one who made the little battery thing. Pancipta.
Oh, you must find out in the Wikipedia or
No, who did like the cardboard and like put the battery and the wire thing?
yeah, you should find it in the Wikipedia. Who found the battery first at the first, yeah?
No, who did it? Who made it?
I don't know.
And what is that name? Like, what is that thing name?
We call it cell actually. Baterai itu namanya cell, but I don't know who found it. Ya, and I
Cell.
haven't read it. Kamu bisa cari browsing tuh, ya.
Okay.
Nah,
I'm
kembali
gonna
yang
browsing
tadi, ya,
after this.
kembali yang tadi fossil fuel.
Miss,
Fossil
ini
fuel.
mantapnya nanti dikumpulkan ya, Miss.
Yes, this writing
Berarti
dikumpulkan.
ini, Miss.
This writing. So it's come from the chemical ya. Chemicalnya itu dari bumi ya. It's come from the chemicalnya dari bumi. So we say that the fuel is to produce. Makanya kita bilang what apa yang dihasilkan tadi dari chemical tadi? What produced by the battery before? What energy that you
Chemical.
it's come from chemical and chain to
Light.
light. And
Wait.
heat. So we call light and heat itu apa? What energy that we call the light and the heat?
Light and
Electricity-nya produce the heat and the light, but all the common umumnya kita bilang itu electricity. Ya kan, nyalakan lampunya tadi.
Iya.
Jadi the fuel, entah itu nanti fuelnya dari coal, dari crude oil ya, atau dari chemical yang tadi, it is used to produce electricity. Dah, tadi kan yang ini di sini kan. Apa lagi? Oh ya, Miss Debbie tadi ask you, if I turn on the light along the time, along the day,
The chemical will empty.
the chemical will empty or the fuel will run out. Suatu saat nanti akan habis. You must replace with the fuel. But if one day, suatu hari nanti, do you think the fuel will run out? Apakah suatu saat nanti bahan bakar yang dari bumi itu, yang namanya fuel itu, yang dari fosil, yang dari chemical itu akan habis? Do you think so?
Yes.
So the fuel,
Because we use it like too much.
yes, we spend
We're kind of wasting it.
Yeah,
Yeah, we wasting money too.
will finish. Tulis aja will finish.
Will
Will finish. Akan habis. Will finish one day. Suatu hari nanti akan habis one day. Suatu hari nanti akan habis.
Oh. Okay, I get it.
If you see my video, if you see the video last week about the climate change, there is an effect. Ada efeknya, ada pengaruhnya. There are some impact, ya. there are some impact from the fuel, ya. Ada pengaruhnya atau efeknya. Apa pengaruhnya? Yang it could be dangerous, ya. It could be benefit or not benefit. Yang bisa menguntungkan tapi juga ya bisa merugikan, ya kan? Menguntungkannya ya you can turn on your engine. Yang merugikannya the side effect ini ya, side effectnya. Negatif effect ya, negatif aja bilangnya ya. Negatif effect, pengaruh jeleknya. Pengaruh negatif effect, pengaruh jeleknya apa? Titik 2. Yuk. Dari view
Miss
tadi ya.
is what is effect?
Effect ini EFFECT. Ini C ya. Kurang bagus ya.
Okay.
Ya, gitu aja. Oke, negatif effect-nya apa?
Negative. It will run out.
Iya, negatif. Tadi run out itu kan finish tadi. Dia bisa habis. Kalau baterainya
I
habis,
think that is the negative.
where will you throw away?
And
Where
the
will
trash.
you throw away?
Trash.
Battery. To the trash. Do you know that the chemical actually, give negative impact, give negative effect to soil. Kalau kita buang ke tanah, sebenarnya itu kan chemical. Tanahnya menjadi tidak subur. It's not fertile anymore. So I don't know where to throw away the battery. It should have
Right.
the place, the place to recycle the battery.
It's can to recycle.
Can
It's can recycle.
apa? Kaleng
Bisa itu dan ulang lagi.
bisa didaur ulang nggak ya? It has to be like that. Jadi kalau ada baterai itu, kalau sudah habis, you can throw it to the soil. Itu nggak akan hancur itu nanti. Covernya saja sudah tebal. Covernya saja sudah tebal. Ini kan tebal. Coba kamu bongkar pakai tangan, emang bisa?
No.
I ever, but I need the plier ya. Miss Devi perlu tang.
Oh, I ever seen like a little YouTube short, so it's like opening it and there's like two magnets or
Not magnet. It's a
or
pasta.
battery.
It's a pasta, chemical.
I
There is no
never
magnet.
see like inside of the
Yeah,
battery.
there is no magnet.
I ever seen one, but can you do
Have
it?
you ever seen? It's look like a pasta.
Yeah, I know. I never.
Yeah, that's chemical. So you cannot throw it to the soil. It will give the soil, not fertile anymore. Gak subur tuh nanti. Kalau
Can you
kita
open it with tweezers so the others can see?
No, it is hard to open it. It's hard, very hard. It's a big cover. Itu tebal banget itu. Covernya tebal.
How you can see the inside of the battery?
When I was kid, I just curious.
Wow.
And I still remember. How does it look like? It's black.
You already use a fire?
No, I just curious, and then I open it and it's black. Yeah, it's look like pasta.
Oh,
Pasta, but
I think
smooth.
really
Kalau
black.
pasta gigi kan smooth ya, halus. Ini nggak smooth gitu, agak
Yeah.
kasar. But black.
Kasar means
Black, carbon kan, carbon. Ya.
it's like the make the Happy Meals
Oke,
thing.
ya lanjut ya. Fuel, bahan bakar tadi negatif efeknya apa tadi? 1. I just told you my story. Ayo. Negatif
Empty.
efeknya apa?
Oh. Wait, I like it first.
I just told you my story that there is a chemical inside the
It's
battery.
so empty.
So if you throw it to the soil, it will give the negative impact. Apa itu?
Enggak subur.
Yes.
It's not.
Not
Lupa
fertile.
aku.
Not fertile.
Are flowers fertile?
Bukan fertile. Gini aja. Pollution gitu aja ya, polusi tanah ya. Betul nggak?
not.
Bukan, kalau ini kepanjangan jadinya. Bukan not itu. But pollution there are 3 type, remember? Polusi kan ada 3, udah belajar belum?
Polusi udara.
Yes. So just say it's all pollution. Pollution.
It is. Wait, pollution.
Cepat ditulis ya. Supaya nggak
Okay.
salah.
Okay.
What else? The negative impact. Think about the fuel that you use, that people use. The coal, yeah, the crude oil, gasoline.
Fuel.
Apalagi ya?
There's a kimia thing.
What
Ya,
if
chemical itu nanti ya masuknya pollution itu. There are 3 type of pollution, right?
Yeah.
Pollution, soil pollution, and then water pollution. Yeah.
what if the chemical come out from the bed? What if like
Carbon.
the chemical escape?
The name is carbon.
Oh,
Carbon. Carbon dioxide.
It's black. That's why it's black. It look like coal.
Oh.
It look like coal when you crush the coal, ya. Kalau kamu hancurin coal, ya.
Ya.
Itu dia kemudian agak-agak basah gitu, itu kan kayak pasta.
Yes.
Ya. Or your pencil. Do you have pencil?
Yeah,
That
I mean
that
that's
black ya. That black ya. Bukan ini, kalau ini pensil warna ya. Dikasih warna, ini dikasih warna. Is also carbon, aslinya hitam dikasih warna.
I'm the queen. I ever like
So do you have the
making
pencil, the real pencil now, like Gisela gitu ya?
like this.
Yeah, not mechanic, not mechanic. Ya.
Actually, I just have like
But
this.
mechanic also has the refill kan, refillnya. Mekanik juga
Yes.
ada isinya kan, itu namanya karbon. Carbon, we say carbon.
In the little black out.
Ya, ya semua pakai pensil, dia pakai pensil. Ya, Eloin.
I'm use a mechanic pencil.
Mechanic pencil also has the carbon, yaitu isinya namanya karbon. Ya.
Oh.
So beside the pollution, have you seen my video the climate change?
Like the guy that's saying like always saying my muscle energy.
Miss Debbie.
And I never.
Let's
I'm
see
gonna-
the impact. Let's see the impact ya. Mari kita lihat
Okay.
impactnya dari climate change ini.
Human
Yeah.
activity.
My head hurts.
Can you see clearly
Is this
my
not
video now?
geography? Yes.
Okay, let's see the impact.
I like.
Let's see the
Okay,
impact.
let's see what is.
Everybody please pay attention with the text. Ada tulisannya.
I'm gonna
di situ,
mute
ada
it.
tulisannya di situ.
Okay.
Tolong kasih tahu Miss Debbie apakah ini suaranya kedengaran atau tidak nih videonya.
And I'm gonna stop it.
Activities, from pollution to overpopulation, are driving up the Earth's temperature and
It's a bit too small.
Kecil suaranya.
Yeah, it's too small.
fundamentally changing the world around us.
Ini suaranya.
Oh yeah, this is good.
Oke, ada teksnya ya.
The main cause is a phenomenon known as the greenhouse effect. Gases in the atmosphere, such as water vapor, carbon dioxide, methane, nitrous oxide, and chlorofluorocarbons, let the sun's light in, but keep some of the heat from escaping, like the glass walls of a greenhouse. The more greenhouse gases in the atmosphere, the more heat gets trapped, strengthening the greenhouse effect and increasing the Earth's temperature. Human activities, like the burning of fossil fuels, have increased the amount of CO2 in the atmosphere by more than a third since the Industrial Revolution. The rapid increase in greenhouse gases in the atmosphere has warmed the planet at an alarming rate. While Earth's climate has fluctuated in the past, atmospheric carbon dioxide hasn't reached today's levels in hundreds of thousands of years. Climate change has consequences for our oceans, our weather, our food sources, and our health. Ice sheets, such as Greenland and Antarctica, are melting. The extra water that was once held in glaciers causes sea levels to rise and spills out of the oceans, flooding coastal regions. Warmer temperatures also make weather more extreme. This means not only more intense major storms, floods, and heavy snowfall, but also longer and more frequent droughts. These changes in weather pose challenges. Growing crops becomes more difficult. The areas where plants and animals can live shift, and water supplies are diminished. In addition to creating new agricultural challenges, climate change can directly affect people's physical health. In urban areas, the warmer atmosphere creates an environment that traps and increases the amount of smog. This is because smog contains ozone particles, which increase rapidly at higher temperatures. Exposure to higher levels of smog can cause health problems such as asthma, heart disease, and lung cancer. While the rapid rate of climate change is caused by humans, humans are also the ones who can combat it. If we work to replace fossil fuels with renewable energy sources like solar and wind, which don't produce greenhouse gas emissions, we might still be able to prevent some of the worst effects of climate change.
Halo, anak-anak.
Okay. Yes.
Tadi
Yes.
mana tadi?
Yep.
Oh, kita gini.
You start on a journey and you never know where it's going to end.
Aku jadi kesini.
I always watch that in my TV, but now I don't have it. So I watch it from the YouTube. What is that? What is that noise? Yeah.
Okay, back again to the writing. Back to the writing. Ini tadi hilang ya.
Okay.
Ini jadi hilang, tapi let
Okay, I already like it.
us continue. Ini kan tadi fuel tadi. Let us continue the negatifnya tadi, negatif.
Pollution.
Terus kan ada pollution.
Pollution. Yes, pollution.
So beside the pollution, jadi selain polusi yang di video tadi apa?
Jadi kayak es melted.
Yang di video tadi.
Liquid.
Oh. Ayatnya.
Oke, selain polusi, yang di video tadi apa? The pollution create atau membuat apa?
Create.
What is the impact of the pollution? Terus the impact of the pollution apa?
Terus apa kayak kesehatannya nggak bagus dari polusinya tadi.
So what is the impact to our earth? To our earth?
Our earth.
Yeah, bumi kita. Impactnya kan pollution. It's
Plus
pollution,
food.
and then apa ya? Suara Miss Dewi jelas nggak nih?
Jelas.
Okay. There is a pollution because of the fuel, right? But the pollution actually it creates something worse, bad thing in our earth. Apa itu?
Overheat.
Overheat create. Karena panas yang berlebihan itu menciptakan apa?
Oh, that. I forget what.
Apa yo?
Menciptakan.
Namanya apa? Panas yang berlebihan, kemudian ke atmosfer di atas sana, menciptakan apa? And then the ice melting, ya kan tadi ada kan? The ice melting, flooding, banjir di mana-mana. Because, kenapa banjir tadi? Coba aja
Because overheat.
Ya, because of the overheat, create the ice melting. Lalu apa? Kalau es mencair terus gimana emangnya?
Jadi air.
And the
Being a
ice
liquid.
and the water surface, permukaan air menjadi naik apa turun?
Naik.
Naik. Coba aja kamu kasih es batu di dalam gelas.
Turun.
Ya. Turun. Turun apa naik?
Naik.
If you want to try, do you have ice cube?
Yeah. No, I don't have it.
You try it. You try it ya. Nanti kamu coba es batu saja masukkan ke dalam gelas. Tadinya tidak ada air, only the ice cube, right? Tadinya kan
Right.
awalnya. And then what happened?
And then the ice will be
The
like
ice will
cair.
melt and create the water. Am I right?
liquid.
Ya. So the water yang tadinya nggak ada air jadi ada air. So that's why in the movie ada apanya? Ada apa tadi? Ada peristiwa apa? Flooding. Kok longsor? Flooding itu banjir. Tuh
I never
banjir
heard
ya.
of it. Float.
Banjir yang di Jakarta, ya di negara-negara lain. It's
I heard
come
they
from the-
floating.
Oke, berarti itu namanya selain tadi the gas trap in the atmosphere, ya gas karbon dioksida katanya tadi, lihat nggak tadi? Ada gas-gas yang trap in the atmosphere, itu namanya greenhouse effect atau ya greenhouse effect, banjir, kemudian the ice melting, itu namanya climate change. Silakan ditulis.
I remember climate change.
Ya, itu namanya climate change ya. Perubahan iklim. Terjadi perubahan iklim, climate change. Now what we have to do to replace?
The positive effect.
Kalau the fuel give the negative impact to our earth, to people, then what should we do? Ini apa namanya? Replace itu menggantikan. Digantikan dengan apa? What should we do to replace the fuel? Kalau memang itu jelek, membuat climate change, membuat susah manusia ya nantinya. Dan sekarang ini juga sudah terjadi kan? Ice melting, banjir, kemudian panas yang berlebihan. Kamu tahu nggak di luar negeri itu summernya bisa 45 derajat loh.
Yes.
Gimana ya, Miss Debbie lihat di berita 45
I ever go to like another country when it's summer and it's really hot.
45 degree, orang pada mati. People die because of the wave, karena gelombang panas. The hot wave.
Did they die of Christmas? Did they just crisp to death? But I think it's in another country that I travel there is like I think it's like became
Not really
crazy.
long from
34 or 35, 36, what? Like that.
Yeah. I saw from the news that there is a drought everywhere, ya kan, kekeringan di mana-mana, and also the temperature rising. Wah, kalau 40 45 tuh orang bisa pada mati kan ya.
Oh yeah.
Happen in our
And it
earth.
even we
Itu
can
terjadi.
I think we can
That's
cook.
that is because the climate change. So, what should we do to replace the fuel that's more friendly to us people, yang lebih ramah, yang lebih aman untuk kita. What should we do?
We have to
Ayo, melanjutkan
replace the
Semua
tree.
aktif yuk.
Replant the tree.
Bilang ya, harus bagaimana atau menggantikan dengan apa fuel
Plant
supaya aman untuk manusia.
planning thing, a tree. Because trees make a like more.
We should replace. Setuju nggak kalau diganti fuelnya?
Yes. Diganti. Yes.
Do you agree?
Other energy. I agree about that.
Oh, pantesan nggak kedengeran tadi. Do you agree?
Yeah. Agree.
Okay,
Yeah.
but what to
Can
replace?
use other energy like the sun's heat.
What to replace? Digantikan dengan apa? What to replace? Apa yang digantikan is the fuel. Fuel replaced by, gitu ya. Fuel replaced by
Fossil fuel. Sun's heat. Sunlight.
Nah, itu one of
Sunlight.
yes, satu sunlight. Yuk kita tulis yuk. Satu sunlight.
Replace with the sunlight.
Ya, satu sunlight. Ini kan tadi fuel tadi, ya fuel. Kemudian digantikan replace by gitu ya. Ulangi lagi ya. Ini yang terakhir. Replace by
Sunlight.
sunlight. Satu sun atau solar, kita bilang solar ya. Solar. Apa lagi? Menggantikan bahan bakar itu. Apa lagi?
Geothermal. Water movement.
Nah, water movement, betul. Biomass, ini namanya biomass yang dari kotoran hewan produce the heat. Ya, itu namanya biomass. Yang kedua, ini bisa menyalakan kompor loh biomass ini. Have you ever seen? Belum pernah ya? Miss Devi pernah
I
lihat?
think I ever see at like Dunia Anak.
Kalian cari aja di ini National Geographic tadi, buka-buka semuanya yang
Or
pernah.
maybe Da Vinci.
Ya, what we call biomass, biofuel, itu lihat aja nanti ya. Miss Devi kasih linknya National Geographic ya. Today. Terus tadi apa ya? Water movement. Who said it? Siapa yang bilang tadi water movement?
Sorry, Miss.
Oke, Suri, betul. Water. Waterfall bisa, air terjun bisa, air di waduk bisa, di dam ya. Yang penting dia airnya jatuh. And it is run ya, the generator to create the electricity. Jadi itu, selain bahan bakar, fuel tadi ternyata bisa diganti oleh water. What do we have nih? What do I have nih? Coba lihat.
Can't see it.
Tadi misalnya
Kincir angin.
where does the
Wind.
wind energy?
It's a wind energy.
It's wind energy.
So we write it wind.
Wind. Ada satu lagi sebenarnya Miss Debbie share in my video. In my video, kalau kalian udah lihat, ini namanya geo.
Wait. Geo.
Tapi we don't have time to
Geothermal?
turn on- Yeah, we don't have time to turn on the video today. So you can
Geothermal?
see in the Maya School ya.
Geothermal.
Geothermal. Ini geothermal, panas bumi. Panasnya bumi, oke?
Yeah.
Nah, dan selesai. Then
Yup.
you may submit. You may submit in Maya School.
Okay. Wait, I'm gonna take my phone first. I have my phone right now.
I just need to go to it. Then
I'll take my phone.
Don't close the Zoom. Jangan keluar dari Zoom dulu, tapi foto submit in Maya School. Tulisannya klik di sini gitu. So after you submit, then you may leave the meeting. So today our topic is the fuel and the renewable energy. Oh ya, Miss Debbie lupa bilang, ini namanya semua renewable energy. Kita tambahin nih, boleh ya? Replace by renewable energy. Replace by renewable energy. Kemudian renewable energy ini ada 5 tadi. Ya, after you wrote it, then you have to submit in Maya School and then we finish.
Wait, I write that too. We write that.
Yeah, you
renewable energy.
Yes, yes.
Renewable.
What is after ED?
After you submit in Maya School, you may leave the meeting. Kamu boleh keluar meeting. Dan
Ini habis E-nya ini apa?
renew energy, ini energy, renewable energy.
Okay.
Okay, everybody understand?
I understand.
Masih yang dari situ atau gimana, Kak?
It's done.
Okay. I'm gonna make a picture of it.
Okay. Also Miss Debbie will tell you that next week you are going to have a quiz ya. Tapi quiznya open book. Jadi semua ada di video, semua bahan materinya ada di video, ada di buku juga ya. It is all your knowledge. Itu pengetahuan-pengetahuanmu semua tentang fuel, climate change, renewable energy. Sudah? Belum? Silakan. Yang sudah disubmit. Nanti kasih tahu Miss Debbie, Miss, I'm done.
Miss, ini ada deskripsinya nggak?
Deskripsi apa?
Miss,
Klik
I'm
di
done.
sini tulisannya. Klik di sini.
Yes, I'm
Submit di situ.
done.
Okay, you may leave the meeting. Bye.
Bye.
Siapa itu?
Wait. I'm gonna send it.
Send it.